experience?
Ma'am, actually, this is from the CV Raman Club.
Yes. Your Raman Club is happening in your school?
Yeah, it is there. And so we brought some students here to participate. We are from Vijayanagar district, Harapalli Taluk.
Just to announce
Government
once
Girls High School
again, those
teacher.
children who have so
Government
far
Girls
not
High
yet
School
been
teacher.
called for their judging session, that will
this
happen
will help
after
the
lunch
students to
at 1:30.
think in a logical
Meanwhile,
way
lunch will be served
and
here for
how to
everyone
incorporate
within
the
10
learning
minutes.
things in the day-to-day life and it enhance how to think and in a scientific way. So like that, it motivates the student to learn science, and also they explore something better in the learning process. And this will help us to teach a lot of things in a science, and student will explore the different ideas. And also in a rural area, it makes us to think in a broader way. So here Raman Club, they will supply some materials to how to do the experiment. So all will makes us in a good way to learn the science. So this we got an experience, and this we are exhibiting here. The student what they are learned in the classroom situation, they are exhibiting here.
How many children came?
4 students.
And in the Raman Club, how many participants do you have?
So actually, from our taluk, there are 7 schools they are selected, and we came here. 7 schools came here along with the teachers and students.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You are coming from?
Coming from Dharwad Vidya Poshak Institute.
You are teachers?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you came?
We came 16 teachers.
16 teachers. And how many students?
19 students.
They are 10 schools. They are all over there?
No, yes, ma'am. Our students are in the contest.
Oh, they are inside. How has your experience been? This is your first year coming?
Yes, ma'am. We are coming first, but our institute, from our organization, they are coming from 3 years.
Okay. And you are conducting the Raman clubs in your
Last year, first prize and second prize win this institution.
Hebali school. ma'am.
Okay. And how often does Raman clubs happen in your school?
Students will enjoy the experiments. It is one of the good opportunity for the students to do the experiments. It will come in the textbook. These experiments.
The experiments are they are doing that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Does the Raman club happen during the school day or after school?
During the school.
During school. And all of you are conducting it?
All are from same organization.
Same.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರ ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಚೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್
Parachute experiment.
wind turbine model and parachute are they are enjoyed.
Those are the ones that everyone gets excited about.
Yes.